Hi, this is Dr. Jacobs, and today I want to walk you through what really happens when you quit sugar for just 30 days. And honestly, why this one change could totally transform your entire health. Let's start with this. Refined sugar is not just empty calories. It's been linked to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, anxiety, and even depression. In fact, studies show that sugar consumption is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes, even in people with normal weight. So, what happens when you remove it? You may feel withdrawal, headaches, irritability, cravings, but that's your body detoxing. Hang in there. Your energy starts to stabilize. No more crashing in the afternoon. Sleep improves and brain fog begins to clear. So your skin looks better, your gut starts healing, and honestly, you may notice reduced joint pain and bloating. By now, your taste buds reset. Natural foods start to taste sweeter. You feel lighter, stronger, and more mentally clear. And the science backs it up. Research shows that removing added sugar reduces inflammatory markers like CRP and improves lipid profiles, blood pressure, and even mood. One study even found that quitting sugar improved symptoms of depression in as little as 3 weeks. This is exactly why I created the Astra Diet, which I cover in detail in my book, Eat to Heal. It's an anti-inflammatory, doctor-designed eating plan that helped me and my patients to overcome chronic illness, fatigue, and pain by focusing on real healing foods. If you're ready to heal your body from the inside out, grab your copy of Eat to Heal today. The link is below this video. You don't have to rely on medication for the rest of your life. Your healing can start with what's on your plate. If you're tired of quick fixes and want to heal naturally, Eat to Heal is your guide. This book introduces the ASTR diet, a simple, science-backed plan to reduce inflammation, boost energy, and fight chronic illness through food. Whether you're dealing with pain, fatigue, or digestive issues, Eat to Heal gives you a clear path to lasting wellness. Start healing from the inside out. Grab your copy today.